loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl forever Tati. Today's video is going to be on this cap wig from Unice hair. This is in 12 inches and this is in the straight texture. Now I know it may seem a little long for 12 inches, but the hair starts literally like right here. It doesn't start from up here. And so for 12 inches this is not bad. Knowing me, I like really long hair, so I would definitely go for like an 18, you know, really long and flowy. The hair is pretty silky, but I did receive a lot of shedding. I'll go ahead and insert some clips of my floor when I was finished flat ironing this hair. I also did not wash this wig yet because I know that I would have to get the cap and everything wet and I didn't want to deal with that. But I'm pretty sure once I do wash it, it won't be that hard to dry. I could definitely see myself wearing this wig to the gym, wearing it to run some errands or to go to the supermarket really quickly. Or to be honest, I'll wear it to work when I don't want to do my hair. Luckily at my job, I can wear a hat, I can wear any type of head accessory that I want. They don't give me any problems. So yeah, I might just be wearing this wig to work. Let me stop rambling and let's get into the video. Alright my love, so this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think about this wig down below. I do wish it was a little bit more fuller, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, like this is literally all the hair on this side of my head. Yeah, but besides that, it's pretty cool, easy to put on, and I like it. So yeah, until next time, don't forget, never let anyone make you feel anything less than beautiful, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.